Hello, and welcome to Triumph Through Time. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most sought-after qualities in both personal and professional life: charisma. Charisma is often seen as a mysterious and innate trait, but the truth is, it can be developed and enhanced with the right strategies. Today, we'll be sharing top tips to help you boost your charisma and become more influential and magnetic in all your interactions. Develop genuine interest in others. Charisma begins with showing genuine interest in the people you interact with. When you engage with someone, focus on listening more than speaking. Ask open-ended questions and show empathy towards their experiences and feelings. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard and valued. When you listen attentively, it not only makes the other person feel special, but also gives you insights into their personality and preferences, which you can use to build a stronger connection. Practice active listening by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and summarizing what the other person has said to show you are fully engaged. Cultivate self-confidence. Confidence is a cornerstone of charisma. To build your self-confidence, start by recognizing your strengths and achievements. Keep a journal of your accomplishments and revisit it regularly to remind yourself of your capabilities. Additionally, practice positive self-talk to reinforce a confident mindset. Body language also plays a crucial role in conveying confidence. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and make eye contact. Confident body language sends a powerful message to others and can significantly enhance your charismatic presence. Remember, confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others are more likely to believe in you too. Master the art of storytelling. Charismatic individuals are often great storytellers. They have the ability to captivate an audience and make their message memorable. To improve your storytelling skills, practice sharing personal anecdotes that are relevant to the conversation and illustrate a point effectively. A good story has a clear structure, a beginning that sets the scene, a middle that builds tension, and an end that delivers a resolution. Use descriptive language and emotions to make your stories more engaging. Additionally, tailor your stories to your audience's interests and experiences to make a deeper connection. Use positive body language. Your body language speaks volumes about your confidence and approachability. Practice open and positive body language to make others feel comfortable around you. Smile genuinely, maintain good eye contact, and avoid crossing your arms, which can be perceived as defensive. Mirroring the body language of the person you're speaking with can also create a sense of rapport and trust. Subtly mimic their gestures, posture, and tone of voice to show that you're in sync with them. Positive body language helps create a welcoming and engaging atmosphere, making you appear more charismatic. Develop a warm and engaging tone of voice. The way you speak can significantly impact how others perceive you. A warm and engaging tone of voice conveys friendliness and enthusiasm. Practice varying your pitch, pace, and volume to keep your listeners interested and to emphasize key points. Avoid speaking in a monotone, as it can make you seem disinterested or unengaged. Instead, use a lively and expressive tone to convey your passion and energy. Additionally, pay attention to your vocal clarity. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace to ensure your message is easily understood. Practice emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. High EQ is a key component of charisma. To enhance your EQ, practice self-awareness by reflecting on your emotions and how they affect your behavior. Additionally, work on your empathy skills by putting yourself in others' shoes and considering their perspectives. This helps you respond more effectively to their needs and emotions. By developing strong emotional intelligence, you can build deeper connections and become more adept at navigating social interactions. Be authentically yourself. Authenticity is a crucial element of charisma. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine and true to themselves. Embrace your unique qualities and let them shine through in your interactions. Avoid trying to imitate others or putting on a facade, as it can come across as insincere. Being authentic also means being honest and transparent. Share your thoughts and feelings openly and admit when you don't know something. Authenticity builds trust and credibility, making others more likely to respect and connect with you. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude is infectious and can significantly enhance your charisma. Focus on the good in every situation and approach challenges with optimism. This doesn't mean ignoring problems, but rather looking for constructive solutions and maintaining a hopeful outlook. Surround yourself with positive influences and engage in activities that boost your mood. When you radiate positivity, you create a pleasant environment that attracts and energizes those around you. A positive attitude also helps you handle setbacks gracefully and inspire others with your resilience. Be present in the moment. Being fully present in your interactions is a powerful way to boost your charisma. Avoid distractions like checking your phone or looking around the room while conversing with someone. Instead, give them your undivided attention and show that you value their time. Practice mindfulness techniques to improve your ability to stay present. Simple exercises like deep breathing or focusing on your senses can help you stay grounded and attentive. By being present, you enhance the quality of your interactions and make others feel valued and respected. Show appreciation and gratitude. Expressing appreciation and gratitude is a simple yet effective way to enhance your charisma. Acknowledge others' efforts, thank them for their contributions, and recognize their achievements. Genuine appreciation makes people feel valued and strengthens your relationships. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine by keeping a gratitude journal or regularly reflecting on things you're thankful for. This practice not only boosts your own positivity, but also fosters a culture of appreciation in your interactions. When people feel appreciated, they are more likely to respond positively and engage with you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to enhance your charisma. Remember, charisma is not just about being charming, it's about genuine connection, confidence, and authenticity. Start applying these tips in your daily life and watch how your interactions transform. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from these insights. Stay tuned for more content on Triumph Through Time, where we continue to unlock the secrets to personal growth and success. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.